Yeah, that's even. Gonna be as even as I needed it to be.
Sprinklers are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Only keep it real, no fraud, homie, that's that. All I got is my balls and my word, and that's fact. Ever need something guaranteed, I hit you right back. New 2020.
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Twin here, man. You already know what time it is. Look, man, quick video, man. I'm tired of looking rough right here, so I'm about to line that up. Y'all probably can't see because of the lighting, you know what I mean? I should have got a lamp. I ain't got another socket, but whatever, man. We about to line this up because I need to see the mirror, and I got a little ghetto set up, propping the camera up right here. So we about to get straight into it, man. Combed it, you know what I mean? Trying to get rid of the little moist areas. I ain't sweating, but you know, something quick. Get your trimmers. The trimmers, what I got? I got walls right here. These shit sharp. I fuck with them hard. I fuck with them hard. But before we get to those, I gotta mark my beard. You dig me? What the hell is my pencil at? I'm gonna fuck my brothers up. Okay, there it go. There it go. It was about to get fucked up. You feel me? Gotta mark it with the I don't know what is this, ladies. Eyebrow thing. What is this? I don't know what it is. Either or. Eyelash. Is it eyelash? Is an eyebrow pencil. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Little trick I picked up a while back. I was trying to find out how I can grow grow it in. Like, y'all probably can't see it that much, that good now, but like grow it in, cause I want it to go from here on up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, you know what I mean? I'm gonna trace it, cause I got hair there, but the way it's growing in, it's not gonna grow like I want it to. You understand? So I might as well clean it up, cause I be looking at my videos. My videos be looking rough. My dreadlocks already look rough. The beard should be looking rough and insane. You know what I mean? And now that the kid is newly single, you know how that go. Got to look good. You know what I mean? All right, we're gonna draw. I'm gonna try to draw like a curve. We'll do it like that. Do it like that. Y'all can't see. Y'all can see that shit. Y'all see that line. We'll do it like that. We'll try to make these lines even. That's too low. That's too fucking low. All right. I have to erase that. Damn, pencil ain't got no erase on it. Let's see if I can erase it. Dry. Let me see. All right. Where my brush at? I got a brush around here somewhere. Little handy dandy brush. Feel me? Make sure it's even. Is that even? Yeah, that's even. Gonna be as even as I needed it to be. See, I'm not one of them dudes. You go to your barber, and I see a lot of dudes doing it. If you patchy, like on your beard, yo, I started recording and I don't know, my camera just shut off. But look, what's up to my beard gang, man? Beard gang, beard nation. Y'all know what's up. I was walking around looking like a bum for a little while. Matter of fact, I can show you better than I can tell you. Look, see the hair? Damn hair bump, see what I'm saying? So I was walking around looking like that for a little while. I can't do it for too long because I'm sweating. And I want to go ahead and cut this shit. Y'all see I drew the line? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? My bad for the lighting too. Matter of fact, hold up, y'all. I got something for y'all. Hold up. Alright, y'all, I'm back. That light is better. I should have got both of my light bulbs and put them on both sides, but check it out. The line I drew, right? Line I drew, and I'm cutting out because I wanted it to grow in. Y'all see how I got the line? That's how I wanted it to grow in. But I seen the hair that I had was growing. It wasn't growing. It wasn't growing. You feel me? It was growing, but it wasn't. So we just gonna trim this up, and from here on out, when we trim it up, this gonna be our line right here. Now I done already started because I thought I was already recording, but the camera stopped on me, so I gotta keep on checking. I'm sweating. That ain't good. I'm in the bathroom, so there is no ventilation. That's why y'all might hear that fan. You dig me? Hair bumps and shit. So that right there, do that. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'm gonna have to. Right? After I'm done with that, usually when I'm done with this, I hop right in the shower. But this was like a all of a sudden thing, so the shower can hold off. Yeah, you know what I mean, to wash that. But I need a washcloth. I need a wet one. Whoop. Just to take that off. And if y'all worried about what I'm using, man, because that clip wasn't recorded. I've done this video before, but it's just more like a video update on my beard. For my beard gang, my beard fellas out there. And ladies. You know what I mean? Some warm water right there to get that knocked off. I mean, y'all see? Look at my mustache. See what I'm saying? Right from here, I wanted to go here. Y'all dig me? But the hair wasn't growing like that. So this might just be my beard. This may just be the shape of my beard. You understand? Of course, where my comb at? Where's my comb? There you go, damn, right there in my face. Of course, it'll look better once I wash my beard, because I said once I trim it up, I was gonna wash it. I only wash it every now and then. I need to get me a pick. I seen one guy, he had a wooden pick. I gotta find one of those. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Everything is well. My lips look like they fucking purple. What the fuck? You know what I mean? Like I said, this sweat and this tissue ain't gonna do it. So I'm gonna have to go to the towel because that gotta get trimmed up. You feel me? That gotta get trimmed up. I do my own trimming, you dig? I don't think y'all gonna be able to see that. I should have got the other lamp, man. The other light, man. And I ain't gonna worry about it. The other light bulb. I'm going to knock this out the way. Right? So I got enough. You know what I mean? Now, a lot of them barbers will tell you start in the middle, then work your way around. Well, I'm not one of them dudes that got the beard growing all up underneath their neck. You see what I'm saying? Right here, I got it. You feel me? But like on your neck, nah, I trim that shit up. I try to anyway. Thankfully, my neck area is where I get the hair bump from. You know what I mean? That's where I usually get them at. Not on my face. Like I know the saying is, a man will grow his beard because he got a bumpy face, oily face. That wasn't my case, you know? Of course, every now and then I might get a bump or something, but I can rock the damn near clean shaven. See this, I'm sweating, bro. That's the thing about when you're doing it in the bathroom, bro. You can't be moist when you cut it, because the shit it's gonna dull the blade for one. Two, you're not gonna get no precise cut like you want to. So of course, if it don't come out like I want it to, I'm gonna come back when I'm all dried up. You dig me? Shit, it'll help if I take off this goddamn shirt too, this black t-shirt, huh? Shit, let's take that motherfucker off. Fuck that. Fuck that. You feel me? Do you dig? Alright, so we done took the shirt off. About to finish this neck area, man. You can go against the grain. That's probably why I'm getting them bumps, because I go against the grain and shit. But it is what it is. I want to get that shit close. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back over this. You know what I'm saying? After that, that's done. Ain't gonna take too much underneath the neck area unless your shit is massive down there. You feel me? I'm wiping the sweat, yo. I got alcohol. After I finish, I got alcohol. I need to clean off all this this taco meat on my chest. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't one of them hair motherfuckers, so that only grow like maybe 6 months or some shit like that. Ooh. So know what I mean? Ugh. I mean, we about done for real, for real. We could tackle this mustache. I'm gonna come back when I'm dry completely and put a nice line on the beard, cause it's too wet, not too wet, but too moist right now, and I can't really tell. You dig? I can't really tell if that's what I'm gonna stay with. You dig me? So I'm gonna wipe my forehead and shit once again. Anybody that do this shit, my bearded brothers out there, y'all know exactly what I'm doing. Y'all know what's up. It's a struggle when you in a humid environment. You dig me? I'm gonna say that, man, weight loss coming real good, going real good for me. I ain't gonna touch that too much because it's moist. Can I get some more of my damn thing? Goddamn. So, can I get some more of my clippers? You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and try this beard again. It's an invisible line. I'm basically marking my damn self, you feel me? Fucking humidity, bro. Muggy as shit. Damn. Make that invisible line as high as possible, just in case, because I want it to be even. You feel me? I want it to be even, but this shit, like I said, I'm gonna have to dry off, man. This shit gonna have to dry. I'm gonna have to dry down, and then I know. You feel me? Then I know. But gotta do it, man. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but you know what I mean. Let me dry off right quick. We fresh. Get my alcohol. My alcohol is downstairs. My rubbing alcohol. Go around all the areas in which I cut, making sure that shit is damn near germ free. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the line a little bit. See a little bit of hair on this side? Y'all see a little bit of hair? Right there? Woo. Y'all see it? A little bit of line. I'm trying to show you, but it's this fucking camera. Fuck it. Let me see. It's this line right here. Going on up. Y'all see that line? The little fade. See what I'm saying? Trying to get that to grow in. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. See what I'm saying? That's how you handle it yourself, man. Beard update, man. Y'all know what time it is. You got it up underneath the neck. Y'all probably can't see that shit for real, but got it underneath the neck and shit. You know what I mean? So what I mean? Quick beard update, man. Oh, where is it at? I pop these every now and then. To my beard brothers that be watching, that know what's up. I pop these every now and then, you dig me? That's why I was experimenting with my fingernails, see how long they would have got, but I had to cut them motherfuckers, you feel me? Because I think I ended up cutting my eye. Like my actual eyeball, so that shit be feeling like something is in it, so, you know what I mean? But, Biotin, can't go wrong with it. I need to pop 2 after this, so, yeah, man, I think we pretty good. Like, up and around here, like my goatee, I don't even touch that no more. Like up around here, the goatee area, I don't even touch that no more. Look at that right there. Oh, look at that right there. I ain't never touched that anyway, but I'm saying like around here, like I used to round that up and it used to be looking crazy. Now that I got the whole beard, growing in, I ain't gonna mess with it. That's why I don't even trim my mustache down smaller. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like skinnier, because it just look better. It look fuller. You understand me? So hopefully my mustache, y'all see these? Look at this. Y'all know how them white dudes be. They get the goddamn mustache and it. You know what I mean? Oh shit. Can I do that and make it look fuller? Oh damn. You know I'm sweating. I'm sweating all down my damn back and shit. Y'all ain't know I can do that. Look at that shit. I can do that shit. Look at that shit. Mustachio. Look at that shit. Ooh. Ah. Like a damn kid and a damn kid on Christmas Day type shit. You feel me? Let me see. Know what I mean? Yo, and then when I comb my shit, I comb it down. You know what I mean? I pick it. Basically with this little comb, I pick it. Cause if I comb all the way through like that, this shit gonna get stuck. You feel me? And I don't want no beard hairs coming off. You feel me? This right here was live bearded. I think this comb was like free. I just had to pay shipping and handling for it. And it came with some balm too. I just used argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil on my beard. You dig me? So right now I only got argan oil, so that's the only thing I'm using. You understand? But usually I mix argan oil and olive oil together. After I get out the shower, I know they say water and oil don't mix, but shit, I put it on. Y'all seen my video how I done it. This just a beard update, man. I'm gonna give y'all a dreadlock update. I think I'm gonna wait till the birthday, which is November the 11th, if I'm not mistaken. So, now I mean, till next time, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this, man. I'm sitting here sweating. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, man. Sweating and shit. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Let me know in the comment section, man, how y'all beard coming along, man. I know, yo, if you subscribe to me for a beard and you done cut your beard, bro, you gotta let me know. You gotta let me know, bro. You feel me? Because I did cut my junk once. I've been growing my beard for the longest, but I cut it down, I stopped, and then I try to grow it again. You feel me? It's all in your diet, yo. All in your diet. You got a lot of caffeine in your diet, your shit gonna be patchy. You drinking a lot of liquor, alcohol, your shit gonna be patchy. You dig me? That shit, your beard gonna be falling out. You feel me? Water. You dig? I don't eat healthy all the time, but I love greens. I'm like a fucking rabbit. You feel me? Cabbage, broccoli, peas, lima beans, green beans. I love all that green shit. You feel me? So, cabbages. Did I say cabbages? Collard greens. I mean, spinach. I eat all that shit. You feel me? Yeah, I don't eat all that shit like now, but like I've been eating broccoli and shit, drinking a whole bunch of water and shit. You know what I mean? But shit, that's the finished product, man. You feel me? Let me see if I can give me some dope ass pictures. Alright, until next time, man, it's Big Boy Twin. Look, man, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace.
Yo, y'all give me a moment of your time right quick, man. Shout out to Shanice, man. I did it for you, boo. Free my nigga Mook. Listen to me, look. Yo, we been through presidents like 40 deep. My bad, dog. I'm in 43. Let's talk GC. That's Grover Cleveland. Listen to me, man. That man served 22nd. Benjamin Harrison was 23rd. And Grover was the 24th of couple of non-consecutive terms in office on March 4th. First black president, the 44th. Couldn't do his job in peace. It's Congress' fault. Obama handle business like a player should. Always calm, never panic, even when he should. For example, police killing and they keep it tally. Obama walks as Dr. King and says peaceful rally. See, Congress doesn't understand the game of chess. Obama got elected and had to clean up Bush's mess. But we, as a people, have to work as one. Never mind our turf, we gotta work as one. This real talk, listen up, you better pay attention. Our sins and judgment are the state of admission in the big house. With that higher power, you best listen up. Cause this world is ours. This real talk. Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like you got that. You the type hit of a cut for your ass for your own fight. Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like you got that. You the type hit of a cut for your ass for your own fight.